Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Etsam Hamid from A to Z Tutorials. I am a .NET developer from Rifa International University. Now I am working professionally in .NET C Sharp. Today here we are for a .NET course. In this course we will learn all the basics of C Sharp window forms. This course is for complete beginners. You will be able to design a software after completing this course. Let's move towards the introduction of C# programming language. C# is a high-level programming language. You can use C# to create Windows client applications, XML web services, client-server applications, database applications, and much more. The tool we use to code C# is a Visual Studio 2017. Let's move towards how to download Visual Studio 2017. Open your Chrome browser and move towards Visual Studio official website for your latest 2017 build. When you go to downloads, you will appear a screen like this. Here are 4 versions are available. First is Community 2017, second is Professional 2017, third is Enterprise 2017. If you are working as a student, then I will recommend you to download the first one, Community 2017. Click on free download. It will be free. Other will be paid because they are the professionals. For professionals and for students there is a version which is free. Click on no thanks, we don't want any survey. We are done here. Click on your downloaded file. Click yes. Continue. It will take a minute or more. Let's wait. Okay guys, after extracting the downloaded file, you will appear with this screen with this app. You can call it okay, I have already installed Visual Studio Community 2017. So here is an update option and a launch option. So if I want to update it, I will click on update. So guys, if you doesn't install it yet, please click on install. It will ready all the available features of Visual Studio 2017 Community for you to install. Let's wait here for a minute. So guys, here we are. Now guys, we are working with a C# .NET, so we will select it to install the features of .NET C# .NET in our Visual Studio Community. If you are working with something else, then you will click select any other option. So ignore the other options now. Click on install. I already have installed it, so it will not install it again. Here we are getting a message: Visual Studio cannot be installed to a non-empty directory because I have already installed it. So I will close it. Okay guys, we are done with installation of our Visual Studio 2017. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.